Today we're looking at congruent triangles. We know that the word congruent means that they are the same size, the exact same size, and the exact same shape. Here I have two triangles. If I want to show that they have the same length of side, there are certain symbols that I use. If I want to show that this side is the same length as this side, I'm going to put one hash mark on each one. If I want to show that this side is the same as this side, and I've already used one hash mark, now I'm going to use two. I'm showing that this side and this side are equal. If I want to show that the bottom is the same length as this bottom, and I've already used one hash mark and two hash marks, I'm going to put 3. It's like a matching game. 1 matches to 1, 2 matches to 2, 3 matches to 3. We can do the same thing with angles. If I want to show that this angle is equal to this angle, then I'm going to put one angle sign. If I want to show that this angle is equal to this angle over here, I'm going to put 2 lines. In order to prove that two triangles are congruent, we must know at least 3 things about the triangle. This could be a side, and another side, an angle, a side, and another angle, or an angle, a side, and another side. Let's look at these 3 ways. Is the side angle side? If we know that these two sides are equal, that this angle and this angle are equal, and that this side and this side are equal, then we can say yes, they are congruent. As long as we know a side, an angle, and a side that are both equal. Another postulate is side, side, side. If we have 3 sides and they are congruent to another 3 sides, then we can say yes, they are congruent. The last one is an angle, side, angle. If I know that I have 2 angles that are congruent, 2 sides that are congruent, and another 2 angles that are congruent, then I can say, yes, these are congruent. Be careful, there is one thing that does not work. Angle, angle, angle. These triangles look congruent, and I could tell right now that this angle is congruent to this angle, and this one to this one, and this one to this one. But the problem is, I could make this triangle bigger. Those angles are still congruent, but these triangles are not. Angle, angle, angle does not work. A tricky thing is when a triangle rotates. I might be tempted to say that this side and this side are equal, but really, this side and this side are equal. Because if I turned my triangle back, I would see that those are the congruent sides. Be careful when 2 shapes are not sitting in the same orientation. you might have to turn it in your mind.